W- Welcome to Module 2, Computer-Mediated Communication Competence. We will be focusing on the Spitzberg model of computer-mediated communication competence. There are a number of theories that have been used to account for the computer-mediated communication-related behaviors and phenomena. The social presence theory, the uses and gratification theories, the media richness theory, the social context cues theory, the social identification model of de-individuation, the social information processing theory, the hyperpersonal model of CMC. These theories describe or explain CMC-related phenomena and user behavior. However, these theories have not resulted in measures of CMC-related skills and traits, nor have they been used to more explicitly prescribe or offer guidance on how to improve CMC skills. One of the models of CMC that may be utilized for such a purpose was developed by Spitzberg 2004. This model is partly founded on the theoretical research of competence in interpersonal interaction, especially on the related motivation, knowledge, and skills model of interpersonal competence, Spitzberg and Kupash, 1989-2002. An outline of the more elaborate CMC competence model that has been recently developed by Spitzberg 2004 is presented in Figure 1 and briefly summarized. The primary components of the Spitzberg model of CMC competence are the variables attributed to the users of CMC technology or the interactant factors. Motivation. Motivation for CMC can be positive, approach motivation, or negative, avoidance motivation, and this influences the level of engagement in online communication. Knowledge. Knowledge is related to the cognitive characteristics of the individual and can be of a content and procedural form. There is a bidirectional causal relationship between knowledge and motivation. Skills. These are repeatable, goal-oriented behaviors that are employed in a manner that is affected by the motivation and knowledge component of CMC competence. Numerous skills can be identified in both online and offline communicative interactions, and those that are related to the skills cluster of attentiveness. Attentiveness in CMC is associated with a concern or interest for the other interactants, use of questions and display of interest for topics that were initiated by others, with the supportive and comforting content of sent messages, as well as with the attributes of a message such as politeness and appropriateness. Composure. Composure in CMC is displayed by the use of directives and imperatives in a message, the use of compliance gaining tactics, as well as by topic initiation and redirection. Coordination. This is a means for interaction management regarding message attributes like content and length, rapidity and time of response, number of messages, task orientation, and the socio-emotional content. Expressiveness. Expressiveness is manifested by vividness and animation in messages. For example, the use of emoticons and other paralanguage elements, and also by humor in the message content. According to the Spitzberg model of CMC competence, there is interaction between the individual variables and the situational variables. These situational variables are the contextual factors. These contextual factors that are related to CMC interactions may vary regarding the attributes of the interactants, attitudes, beliefs, values, nationality, ethnicity, race, religion, gender, etc. Temporal attributes, example, the time stream, timing, and sequencing of message. Relationship attributes, type, the quality, intensity, etc. environmental attributes, place, situation, medium, etc., and functional attributes, example, task, romance. The message factors in the CMC competence model are related to the attributes of message content. Example, task versus socio-emotional, openness, etc. Messages may also vary regarding complexity, ambiguity, and other characteristics. The media factor are the level of interactivity of a medium, the adaptability of a medium for specific types of use, and the efficiency of a medium for different purposes. The level of interaction competence in the CMC interactions between the individual variables and the situation variables determines the outcomes, the final component of the CMC competence model. The typology of the outcomes may include the appropriateness and effectiveness of the interaction, as well as co-orientation, that is, how well the received message was understood, the achieved level of satisfaction of the interactants, and relationship development. As a complement to the previously outlined CMC competence model, Spitzberg, 2004, developed a set of propositional axioms and a multifaceted measure with a total of 90 items and the following 15 sub-scales: motivation, knowledge, coordination, expressiveness, attentiveness, composure, efficacy, general usage, CMC interactivity, task orientation, appropriateness, effectiveness, satisfaction, co-orientation, and productivity or efficiency. This brings us to the end of our overview, but I look forward to seeing you again and chatting at our BBC session on Thursday, October the 1st at 6:30 Jamaican time and 7:30 EC. See you then.